Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can save Pinterest pin to Airtable account automatically. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you are using Pinterest account to upload your business related ideas and images. Now you want that whenever you create a new pin into your Pinterest account, automatically the details of the pin like its image URL, its title and its description gets saved as a new record into your Airtable base. For this, we need to create a connection between Pinterest and Airtable. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. Basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So by creating this particular automation, you will have an easy access for all the pins that you create in your Pinterest account, because all the pins data will be saved into an Airtable base and it can be used as a backup also. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Pinterest to Airtable integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to save our Pinterest pins to Airtable base for easy access as well as for the backup reasons. So open this trigger window, choose the application name as Pinterest. Select the trigger event as new pin. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Pinterest. Now as I am already logged into my Pinterest account, it is asking Pabbly Connect would like to access your account. Let's click on give access. Authorization successful, and now the Pinterest account is connected to Pabbly Connect as I was already logged into my Pinterest account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now here we have to select the board name. So I'll take you to my Pinterest account where I have already created some boards. So, that is Pabbly, Royalson, Sigma. So I want all the pins to be saved in this particular board, that is Pabbly. So I'm selecting the same board name over here, that is Pabbly. Now before clicking on save and send test request, we are going to create a new pin in our Pinterest account, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's create a new pin. For this, click on this plus sign, click on pin, create pin. Here we are going to upload an image from the system. Let's select the image from the pictures section and let's select the image as core integrations, title as core integrations. Okay, and I'm just giving the description as Pabbly Connect core integrations. Okay, so we have added the image as well as the title and its description. Now let's click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the image is saved to Pabbly board. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the pin are captured over here. Okay, here we can find the title, its description as well as the image URL. And now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. but sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So now we want to save this particular pin details to our Airtable base. For that, come to this action window, open it, choose the application name as Airtable. Select the action event as create record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and it is asking for the token now. Log into your Airtable to get your API key from the account section. So I'll take you to my Airtable account. So this is my Airtable dashboard. Here we'll be moving to the account section and click on account. And when we scroll down here, we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate it, simply click on this regenerate API key button, or else I'm just going to copy this API key from here and I'll be pasting the same API key as a token over here in Pabbly Connect and click on save. And now the Airtable account is connected to Pabbly Connect as I was already logged into my Airtable account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Airtable account also. Now here we have to select the base ID. So I'll take you to my Airtable account once again. Here I have already created some bases. So I'm just going to access this Pinterest pin details base. So in this particular base, I have created a table named pins where I have taken the columns for the title, description and the image URL. So if you want to add some more fields, simply click on this plus sign and you can add the fields or the columns as per your requirement. So we have to select the same base name and the table name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the base name as Pinterest pin details. And the table name is automatically captured just because I have created a single table in this particular base. So if you have created multiple tables, from your drop down you can select your table name. Now it is asking for the title, description and image URL and the details of the pin that you have created into your Pinterest account. So we have already got the pin details from our Pinterest. So we are going to map these details from the response. Okay, let us come to this title, click on Pinterest and let us map the title over here, that is core integrations. In the same way, we are going to map the description as Pabbly Connect core integrations and here we have to map the image URL. So we have to find the image URL. We have various URLs over here. You have to map your originals URL. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. It means a new record is created into your Airtable base. Let's check it. Here we can find the title as core integrations, description as Pabbly Connect core integrations and here we can find the image URL. Okay, let us check this image URL and here we can find the correct image. So let's close it and in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So as this is a one-time process, next time whenever you are going to add a new pin to your Pinterest account, automatically a new record will get generated over here in your Airtable base containing all the details of the pin. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll move to my Pinterest account once again. And here I'm just going to upload a new pin. For that, click on this plus sign. Again, come to pin. Select the image from your system. So let's this time select the image as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. I have added the title as new use cases and the description as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. And let's save this pin. Save to Pabbly. Okay, so the pin is saved in our board. Now we have to check our Airtable base. We have to refresh it. And here even after refreshing, we can find the pin details just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, and now we can see that a new record is created over here. Title as new use cases, description as new use cases for Pabbly Connect and here we can find the image URL. Let's check this image URL. Okay, and here we can see that the correct image URL is added to your Airtable base. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pinterest and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the pin that you have created into your Pinterest account. And using those details, automatically a new record was created into your Airtable base as a backup. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pinterest and Airtable using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.